Hi, good morning. It's Jim McClung, Jim the RV Guy on YouTube and Midwest RV Center here in St. Louis. I got a request, and so I don't usually announce it, but I just thought I did for whatever reason today. Anyway, it's nice and sunny. I got a request on the Montana by Keystone. It's a fifth wheel, the 3901 RK. Why is it RK? Because it's a rear kitchen. I know you knew that. I was just testing you on this early day. So let's go take a peek. Okay, here's a front look at the Montana 3901 RK. As you can see, like a lot of them, you'll actually have good storage in front. That's where the controls for your battery disconnect will be also. And there's a partition wall, which not a lot of them do, but Montana does it. Oh my goodness, the storage on this thing is amazing. So as you would expect, it's got the upgraded steps. We can also check out the new windows. Pretty cool. This is really what is super exciting about this unit. It's the rear storage in the back. I mean, come on. You can bring everything with you, even the kitchen sink. For those getting up there in age, I won't name names, but I think I'm on that list. It's got this slide out tray, which is awesome because you don't have to climb around in there looking like a plumber and showing off your backside. Anyway, so you've got access on both sides with the rear slide, which is really good. I already mentioned frameless windows, but I'll say it again. And true to Montana form is all the controls in this handy little utility closet. Kind of nice. So, I don't know. Let's go check out the inside. Well, there you are. I'm going to close this just to let you know how good the insulation on this is. I am literally 50 feet from a 6-lane highway. Heck, it might be a 8. I'm not sure. Anyway, welcome to the Montana 3901 RK. Jim, the RV guy, still hanging with you. You come into a room, they really, I guess, use their experience, their know-how to come up with something different. It's one of the best-selling rear kitchen models. If you're looking for a lake lot, if you're looking for extended stay, this may be up for consideration. So as I walk in, right to my left here, you actually see it's got the table and chairs. There are 2 other additional chairs if you want them to come with you. Otherwise, just leave them at home. As we move over kind of in the middle, yep, you guessed it, TV with fireplace. That's really, really cool. So, and for those that really want to relax, if you need the extra sleeping, this is going to sleep 4. So it's not designed to sleep a lot of people. This is for people who want to get away, maybe the occasional kid, grandkid, that type of thing. This is a tri-fold sofa. It comes out. It's a queen bed. Perfectly comfortable for even people taller than me. Think about that. As I get up, hey, guess what? There's more comfy seating. So, I mean, if you really are stuck inside, rainy day, that type of thing, this is really something to consider. So it's got recliners here right in front of the TV. Got great windows all the way around. Just really neat. But I know you're saying, Jim, let's see the rear kitchen part of it. You want it? You got it. So as I use this, it's a real sturdy handle coming up. Got the stairs, come up in the rear kitchen. You're elevated a little bit, but that's because of that storage, awesome storage that I showed you outside. So they got to do something with it. What a great design. What a great use of space. So you've got great countertops here, all the way around, even across the back, and all the way through here. So even on the back area, you've got electric, you've got the plug-ins. Heck, if you want a little coffee bar in the back, have at it. We're not going to judge anybody. Coffee is our best friend. You may have seen this. Maybe at your Lowe's or Home Depot. It's a GE product. just like home, residential. So you've got ice maker, you've got water dispenser if you like filtered water, the whole bit. This is truly the home away from home experience. Maybe some folks like to go to Florida. Maybe they like to go to Texas over the winter, that type of thing. So you've got good storage here. You could actually make some shelves if you want. Got. And then as we look down here, I'm not sure you can see it, but you've got great storage for pantry. And if that wasn't enough storage, holy golly, Miss Molly, that is. So let's walk through and check out a couple of other things. So I'm going to change the view up here a little bit for you, just to give you kind of an open coming from the kitchen on how nice and open this is. You've got the ceiling fan up top. You've already been introduced to the table and chairs, but what is new to you is going to be, boom, one of the best half bathrooms that you are ever going to see. Look at the storage. Look at the faucet. I mean, it's like this rainbow just shoots down out of the sky and says, oh, I know, being silly. Anyway, let's go up into the bedroom. So this is going to sport a king bed. This unit also has 2 air conditioners. What's neat about Montana, I don't believe there's a lot of them out there that are doing it, but if you would like a 3rd air conditioner, then you shall have a 3rd air conditioner. It's prepped for a 3rd AC. Oh my gosh, you'd have to go like to the jungles and stuff. But after you got it to the jungles and all that good stuff, you would certainly be comfortable. How about a walk-in closet? This is in the nose. Point out all the storage in here. This is going to be plumb for a washer dryer. This is a great shower. And that's a fold-up seat, by the way. And then you've got a porcelain toilet. Well, guys, there you have it. And there you are. It's the Montana 3901 RK. I mean, you are talking about a lot of space. 5 slides, all the comforts of home. Hey, let's go somewhere warm over the winter. I really want to appreciate everybody who has given me requests. I don't always mention them, but that is really kind of a neat thing. It's Jim the RV Guy. It only takes a second to like and subscribe. Please do that. And that way it just helps me out and keeps my name out there and all that good stuff, so I can keep giving you pretty neat videos. And also, I look forward to seeing you at the campground. Bye-bye. Have a good day.